Today, September 19, 2020, is the conduct of B.U.S.I.N.A, Kabitenyo. B.U.S.I.N.A, Kabitenyo is a division memorandum number 272 series of 2020, which was released September 14, 2020. B.U.S.I.N.A stands for Bridging Unity Through Systematic Information Campaign in the Neighborhood and Advocacy to the Community. B.U.S.I.N.A Kabitenyo is an activity wherein school officials, in coordination with various education stakeholders, are requested to conduct caravan and other feasible and appropriate information dissemination campaign strategies with the purview to deliver relevant updates prior to the opening of classes. Based on the mechanics of the memo, B.U.S.I.N.A Kabitenyo must engage the entire community in supporting the school's goal for learning continuity amidst pandemic. The school must ensure that teachers, parents, local government officials, alumni, other internal and external stakeholders, and the community in general will be systematically reached by this information campaign. In the information dissemination, the school may use mobile sound system, pamphlets, brochures, and other information dissemination platforms to inform the greater public about the opening of classes. Also, in the distribution of pamphlets or brochures, the school must consider the minimum suggested health standard protocols given by the Department of Health to ensure safety and protect against COVID-19.